adjunct associate professor, Benny Bilai. He is the only Malaysian writer in the academy in Hollywood.
It's the simplest thing all around you. Ideas come from everywhere. You have to get your audience to care about your obsession. So what you need is a character who doesn't know what they want and what they need. No conflict, no action, and it goes on, and you will not have a screenplay because you won't have a story to hang it on. It's like if you build a building, you need a blueprint. If you make a movie, your blueprint is your screenplay. All the world's a stage, now we have to set it.